So next we'll claim or create our Google Places listing. So again, while still being logged into your Gmail account, enter in your browser bar, address bar, google.com/places. And once on the welcome screen, simply follow the instructions. So here we are at google.com/places. And there are two options. You can rate and share places, or you can get your business found on Google. So under the Get Your Business Found, click on Get Started, and this is the verification area to see if you have a business listed already with Google. So your business might be listed. If it's a brand new business, then you know it is not listed. But either way, you will verify if Google has your information by typing in your phone number. Now, at the time of doing this video, there's a small glitch in the system as if you are from Canada. I don't know about every other country, but if I type in the phone number for a Canadian business, in this case a 416, which is Toronto number, I need to leave the country to United States. Even though I'm in Canada, this is how the system works at this time. If I change the country to Canada, it would not find the business information. Although the Jiffy Lube business information is already there. If I typed in country Canada, it would not find it. So you might want to try United States first if you're outside of the US. And then if it doesn't find your business, again, type your phone number and enter your country. So if it is listed, simply click on the Edit button. This will forward you to the Add, Edit, or Suspend a Listing. In this case, what we want to do is edit. So we would check that area and click on Continue. It will next send us to the edit screen. Now, if the listing we're looking for is not available, you would click on Add New Listing. Again, I would verify by changing the country, making sure that it is under the right country and the right phone number. So this one would send us to a straight to a page. Since it's not found, it would be straight to create a listing. So we will enter only the required fields at this time. We will not complete this listing. We will just enter the required fields. So here we have country. I'm in Canada. Company/organization. And this is the name of your business. So in our case, it's Vivian's Dining Lounge. That's what it is in their business license. This is what is on their menus, their business head letters. So this is what we put in. We have the street address, the city, province, that would be states or other region, and postal or zip code, and the main telephone number. This has to be a local number. If you are using a 1-800 number or other phone numbers, you'll have the opportunity to add that later, but this is your main local phone number. It is really important that you have it as a local number. Otherwise, Google will have difficulty matching the information for your local place to your local area, and you will not get very good results. Email address, website, we don't need to enter this at this time. The next item that we must enter is a category. And we'll choose only the first category of the business by entering the text and accepting Google's suggestion. In this case, we were able to enter by entering Viet for Vietnamese. It gave us the option to enter Vietnamese restaurant. You will be able to add custom categories later on, but in this section it is critical that you enter a category that is suggested by Google, that you do not make one up. Okay, so once you have your category and your business details, simply click on Submit. Before the listing is published, you must verify that you are the business owner. As you can see at the bottom right, it needs action. Not yet published. We need to verify ownership. Once you click on that, you'll be sent to the verification page where you will be given an opportunity to verify your business. And in this case, since it's a brand new listing and it was not previously listed by Google, the only option I have is to verify by postcard, which takes approximately 2 to 3 weeks. And 2 weeks has been the average for most business we've done so far. We've never received a postcard before the 2 week period, and we've never received a postcard after 3 weeks. So it's always been the 2 weeks, sometimes 3 weeks, depending if it was on a Thursday or Friday. But if it's done on a Monday or Tuesday, usually 2 weeks later, we receive our postcard, which contains a 5 or 6 digit PIN that we'll enter later. So here we have the address. We make sure that that's correct, the contact name, and then you click on finish. Now, if you do this process and you have somebody else who handles your mail for you, you have to make sure that you'll give them a heads up that you'll be receiving a postcard from Google, and not to treat it as junk mail. It's happened a few times where the postcard went straight into the trash and we had to order a new one. So once you receive your postcard, you can click back on verify ownership, and you will be able to enter the PIN number.